so we got, the ladies are free flying, but I'm really itching to wingsuit, so I'm gonna go do a wingsuit and try and send it out of a 182, which I've never done before. Very likely gonna go to flat spin city, and I hope that I don't take off the rear stabilizer, horizontal stabilizer, so. My voice is still kind of cracking from when I was sick a few weeks ago. Actually sounds kind of funny. I'm gonna exit first because I want more time to fall and kind of watch them, which is not the right way to exit, but wingsuits usually go last. There's 4 of us, it really doesn't matter as long as I know what's going on. Alright, we'll be fine, I think. We'll be fine, that's famous last word. Warming up my wingsuit, like, you know, F1 drivers warm up their tires. Yeah, basically the same thing. I'm not really sure what these chicks are doing right now. Hey, I'm about to really screw up this exit, so just FYI. Alright. Hello there. Oh yeah, let's go. I gotta keep track of everyone. Lorena, Daniela. Okay, got him. supposed to pull my toggles. Oh no. Oh no, I'm dead. Get it, Laura. Do a flyby on me now. Oh, she's gonna get pulled over to Lorena. Dude, these winds kind of suck right now. Don't laugh at us, Cora. Dude, oh. I'm like watching up like this. I'm like looking. I'm like, okay, there they go. I saw all three of you. It looks so freaking cool. That was sick, Laura.
I was like, fly straight because Evan's out here.
Yeah, that was right in front of you. All right, I ain't packing. I'm going to my buddy's house to swim with his kiddos. Laura!
Yeah, I was working.
Babushka, what did you do?
Well, what happened was...
Dude, those winds were super weird. I was like coming down and I was like... All right, you remember how I said I'm really bad at ending these things? Yeah,